Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomewife.com. In today's video, we are going to talk about some great ways that you can monetize your holiday shopping. While many people are thinking about shopping this time of year, we here at The Work at Home Wife are always thinking about how we can make more money doing the things that we're doing anyway. And that includes holiday shopping. So today I am going to give you 6 steps that you can take in order to make money while you're shopping this holiday season. Make sure you stay until the end of the video to find out how you can learn more about the great opportunities I'm talking about in this video, in addition to some others. Now, step 1 in our series here is going to be signing up for Ebates. Now, there's a good chance that you're already familiar with Ebates. This is a site that will allow you to earn cash back when you are doing your online shopping at some of their partner stores. To date, Ebates has helped members earn over $1 billion in cash back. This is a great opportunity, and if you're like me, you're signed up for Ebates already, but you don't always remember to use it. That was certainly the case for me for several years until I installed their Ebates button. This is a little button that goes on your browser. It's an extension. Now, once you've installed the Ebates cashback button, it'll just kind of live in the background of your browser until you start shopping. If you're on one of their partner merchants, a little button will pop up in the top of your screen that will let you know that, hey, if you click our Ebates button, you can earn some cash back while you're shopping on this site. It'll also let you know sometimes if there's a coupon available, and like I said, it just kind of lives in the background. You really aren't going to notice it at all until you start your shopping. In some cases, it will even give you a little alert up there in the button if you're not on a merchant site. Sometimes it'll let you know if the product that you're looking at is available at a lower price somewhere else, or if a coupon is available, or if cash back is available. So there are some benefits to installing that button as well, in addition to that cash back. Now, Ebates sends out checks quarterly. As long as you meet their threshold, they will go ahead and send you a check through the mail. That happens once a quarter. Now, it's really easy to get started with Ebates. It is a free program. It isn't going to cost you anything to shop through those links, but it is going to allow you to earn some of that cash back without really having to do anything extra. Now, step 2 is to sign up for Shopkick. Shopkick can be used online just as you would Ebates by shopping through their links and their partner shops. But one great thing that I do like about it is for those of us that do a lot of in-person shopping as well. Shopkick will allow you to earn kicks at many of their partner stores. And some of these stores, all you have to do is just walk into the store to earn a kick. In some cases, they may want you to check a price. And because of that, it's just a really simple way to start earning a little bit of extra money by doing things that you're going to be doing anyway. These points, or kicks as they're called, can be redeemed for free gift cards at stores like Amazon, Starbucks, and more. And to date, Shopkick says that they've helped their users earn more than $68 million in free gift cards. I'm sure you could use a little bit of that when it comes time for you to do your holiday shopping this year. Now, step 3 is going to be signing up for a program called Paribus. Paribus has been around for several years now. A couple years back, it was acquired by Capital One, and since then it is totally free to use. They don't charge you anything for helping you with their service. It's 100% free. And the way that the Paribus program works is that you link up your email address, the email that you receive most of your shopping receipts for when you're shopping online. This is a good one. They only work with about 30 stores, so this isn't going to be one that's going to allow you to learn a lot of cash back, but it does work with some big retailers like Amazon or Walmart. Now, as I said, this service links up to your email address, and it has a little software program that watches for incoming email receipts from their partner stores. Now, once it spots one of those receipts, what this program is going to do is watch for price drops on the products that you purchased. If it spots a price drop on something that you purchased that's within the guarantee window, Paribus is going to go ahead and reach out to that merchant and request that difference in price. If it's granted, that will be sent right back to the card that you purchased the product with. So it won't be Paribus that's sending you cash back. It will be the merchant that's just refunding that difference in price should there be a price drop. Now, a lot of people are worried about giving Paribus access to their email. But as I said, one thing to keep in mind is this is a company that was acquired by Capital One back in 2016. So it does have a big name behind it that you can trust. Paribus also ensures that they do not open any email other than the receipts from their partner stores. And they also guarantee that they're not going to share your data. Now, if price matching is something that you're really interested in, but maybe you do a lot of your shopping in the store as opposed to online, one app that you are going to want to check into is the Walmart Savings Catcher if you are a Walmart shopper. This one's really simple to use. Whenever you shop at Walmart, just go ahead and scan that little QR code that's at the bottom of your receipt with the smartphone app that's on your phone. And then Walmart will go to work as far as price checking. They will look through the other sales flyers from their competitors in your area. And if any of the items that you purchased that day are available at a lower price in one of those sales flyers, Walmart's going to give you the difference there in their Savings Catcher app. So that's definitely one to check out if you do in-store shopping, and if you're a Walmart shopper, it's a free program, so go ahead and put that one to good use as well. Now, step 4 is signing up for Acorns. If you're already going to be spending money this shopping season, what's a few more cents? And what Acorns does is they are a service that I started using about a year ago. What they do is when you sign up, you're going to link up a credit card or a debit card of your choosing. And Acorns is then going to start watching for purchases. You can set it up so that when you make a purchase, Acorns will round it up to the next dollar, and it'll take those cents and it will invest them. So this isn't one that's going to be necessarily a savings account. It's going to be an investment account. And they actually have quite a few different ways that you can start investing with that service. In addition to those roundups, they do have the opportunity to go ahead and set up a certain amount to be invested on a recurring schedule. Maybe that's $20 a month for you, or a couple dollars a week. It'll go ahead and start investing that money on a regular basis. Now, as of May 2018, over 3.5 million people were using the Acorns service, and most of those were millennials. Now, Acorns does cost you $1 per month for accounts with balances less than $5,000. It does go to a certain percentage once you do reach that $5,000 mark. Now, the last step we're going to talk about today is Receipt Hog. If you're already doing things like scanning receipts for Ebates or scanning those Walmart receipts for the Savings Catcher, you can go ahead and start scanning them with Receipt Hog as well. This is another app that's going to go on your phone. Unlike many of the opportunities we're talking about today, this one isn't going to be tied to any specific merchant. Instead, what it is going to give you credit is based on the categories that you're shopping. Now, this one allows you to earn in 3 different ways. You can earn coins, which is going to be money. You can earn spins, which is a chance to win coins, or sweepstakes, which is another chance to win some coins. Now, the coins are always going to equal cash, and the other 2 are just going to be kind of entries and a game of chance in order to give you the opportunity to earn cash. Coins, you can redeem them for PayPal cash, gift cards, or some of the other rewards that are offered by Receipt Hog. Now, at the time of filming this video, the receipt rewards kind of worked in the following ways. You could earn coins from retailers that primarily sell consumer products like groceries, pharmacies, convenience stores, and those coins are based on the receipt's total. Now the spend receipts are from all other stores like clothing stores, auto parts, home improvement, office supplies, things like that. Now currently each of these receipts will earn you 1 spin. And that spin will give you the chance to earn coins. Now, their sweepstake only receipts are going to be a lot of things in the other categories. We're talking about restaurants, bakeries, maybe you stopped and just got gas at the convenience store as opposed to buying anything inside. You can go ahead and scan those receipts, but what they're going to do is give you entries into their monthly sweepstakes. You aren't going to earn any spins or coins off the bat. This will just give you an entry into a sweepstakes that's an opportunity to win some more coins. Now, Receipt Hog only accepts receipts that are less than 14 days old. And there are going to be some receipts that aren't going to earn you anything. Those are going to be things like credit card bills, ticket stubs, service invoice, handwritten receipts, things like that. Now, occasionally there is a wait list for Receipt Hog, so I'll go ahead and leave you a link in the description below. And you can get that app downloaded now or get on the wait list. Now, those are just a few of the great ways that you can monetize your holiday shopping. And you don't have to just use these during the holiday season. You can use them year-round as well. Whenever you can earn some extra cash by doing things you're doing anyway, it's a good day in my book. Now, you aren't going to get rich. You're probably not going to be able to shop for free, but every little bit counts. Now, I'm going to leave you some links in the description below to these opportunities, along with some others. Go ahead and check those out. As always, if you know of any other great opportunities, go ahead and share them in the comments. My viewers always love learning about other opportunities that are available. And before you leave today, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you'll get notification of the next video. And if you liked today's video, please give it a like and a share as well. Until next time, I wish you best of luck in finding some great money-making opportunities.